What's up, people? Today we're installing the spoiler on the M4. So before I do that, we gotta fix this license plate. So here we go. There we go, it's on. So the spoiler I'm putting on is forged carbon. I haven't seen anyone in Arizona rock it, so here you go. This is it. You can see the nice forged carbon. Really nice. So I put some tape. I don't know if that's gonna have any use, but we'll put it on. So you can see the fitment. I did it pretty much perfect. Both sides. So let's take the tape off. Also, I got a lip down there. I'm gonna have to wrap it forged carbon because no one sells one in forged carbon. So let's push it down. Let's take this off a wrapped car. So official. You can kind of see the tape a little bit, but oh well, it's not bolted on. You can see a little bit right here. You can see the tape sticking out. Just trying to make it flush. But yeah, this is how it looks like. Big difference. Thank you for watching this exciting spoiler install, and I'll see you in the next video.